Let's use artificial intelligence to turn this list of employees into an organizational chart. Here we have a spreadsheet of 50-some employees. Each employee has a manager and some biographical information about them. So we're going to use Lexchart and its artificial intelligence engine to create this organizational structure from this data automatically. So first step is to come in and save this as a CSV or comma delimited file. And so we'll choose CSV UTF-8 and save that. And then we'll come back to Lexchart. And you can create a free Lexchart account and take advantage of this. And we just want to go import, choose our file, and there's that management information we just saved. We're going to upload it. Now Lexchart's going to ask us to identify which column is which in the hierarchy. So it just wants to know which one is the quote unquote child or the one underneath. So that's the employees in this case. And which column is the parent or information on top. And we'll choose the parent. That's for the managers in this case. We'll choose to add some of the data. This is data about the children or the employees. And this is also that. Also child data. We'll ignore some of these other ones. And that's it. So now we select import, now that the data is mapped, and Lexchart draws the chart for us automatically. We'll give it a name. And you'll notice that there are these curved lines, which are not traditional in management org charts. So we'll switch to elbow connectors. But all of that data about each of those employees and their management relationships are easily apparent to us. And that's how you create an organizational chart with artificial intelligence in under 2 minutes.